There are values that we know that we want to call out. They have special behaviors, and one that I specifically want to focus on is the NaN value. This is probably one of the most misunderstood of all the values in the JavaScript language. So let's just take a moment to make sure we understand NaN. If I say var greeting equals hello class, and then I do something with that value string that doesn't make sense for a string, like I try to divide it by 2 like we are here on line 3, JavaScript is going to throw up its hands and say, what are you trying to do? You can't take a string and divide it by 2. That doesn't make any sense. That's not a mathematical operation. I can't make hello class into a number and then divide it by 2. So what am I going to get? Well, I'm actually going to get a special kind of value called the NaN value. So something here is going to have the NaN value, and it's going to have it be specifically because the divide operator on line 3 tried to turn the value hello class, that string, into a number, and that's not a valid number. So we end up this invalid number called NaN. Now, a lot of people think NaN means not a number, but it's not quite that. And I want to call this out because we have a utility called number.isNaN, which would tell us, yes, you do in fact have a NaN. But let me ask you the question, is greeting a number? Well, clearly greeting's not a number. Clearly it's a string. So you'd say, no, it's not a number. And it's definitely not a number, but is it the not a number special NaN value? And the answer is no, it's not. If we say number.isNaN for greeting, we get false. So NaN is a special value that sort of indicates that we've had an invalid numeric operation of some sort. And you should be aware of that. You should be testing for those. Any place that you do math in your programs, you need to be aware that NaNs can happen. And once you get a NaN, it's going to mess up all the other math. So it sort of pollutes all the other operations. It's a really good idea to get familiar with testing the results of mathematical operations to make sure you didn't get a NaN.